admits, kamu relax saja kat situ. Because some people never learn yet, right? Some people hanya ambil modern maths. Okay, so saya kena bagi tahu juga. Okay, guys. So basically, intensive class, what I do is one lesson, one topic. Okay, um, satu lesson lah. Macam hari ini, satu topik kita cover. Okay? So, itu maksud kelas intensif. Nama pun intensif kan. The name of the class itself is intensive. Means very fast. Sangat pantas. Means everything that you need to know on Form 4 Chapter 1, quadratic function, I will tell you today. Saya bagi semua info kat kamu yang kamu kena tahu untuk jawab exam dengan bagus. Form 4 bab 1. Okay, just Form 4 Chapter 1 only. Okay, so what you need to do is basically focus lah, because sangat pantas, and I will not like go into detail. Saya takkan bincang dengan detail dah setiap aspek. Kita akan macam fokus jenis soalan yang exam suka tanya. Okay, exam type question. Okay, because currently kamu semua prepare for trial, right? Yes, every week. Okay, means this week Form 4 Chapter 1, maksudnya next week Form 4 Chapter 2. Next week Form 4 Chapter 3. Kita buat macam tu. 1 week, one topic. Okay, so that kita boleh cover lah until chapter 10, all the above. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so what other things? Okay, so first thing, of course, if you want to get maximum benefit from this class, kalau nak dapat faedah yang maximum dari kelas saya, kamu kena Form 4. Yang ni Form 4. Hari ni Form 4 Chapter 1. Okay, so first thing is, of course, self discipline lah. Okay, kamu kena disiplin. Jangan apa nak kata tak fokus masa kelas. Okay, because dia sangat pantas. So kalau kamu tak fokus kejap, hilang. Okay, so that's why you have to focus 100%. Okay, because kita bincang semua konsep dalam lesson ni sahaja. Okay, so yeah. Okay, and then second, apa lagi nak kata? Okay, jawab soalan. Okay, usually saya akan tanya soalan lah kat kamu. Sebab masa kelas intensif ni kita buat soalan sebenarnya. We are doing question. Okay, so I will ask you question, you reply in the chat box. Okay, jangan takut untuk bagi jawapan salah. Don't be scared to give wrong answer, because wrong answer is better than no answer. Okay, jawapan salah lebih bagus dari tak ada jawapan. Bagi saya lah, bukan semua orang yang ajar macam tu. Bagi saya, jawapan salah lebih bagus berbanding tak ada jawapan. Okay, so wrong doesn't matter as long you learn. Okay, belajar tu penting. Alright, and then kalau boleh lah, kamu juga boleh tanya soalan kat saya. Okay, bukan jawab saja soalan saya. Kalau kamu ada soalan, kamu tanya. If you have question anytime during the lesson, you just ask in the chat box. No need to be shy. No need to be like scared whether you disrupt the lesson. No need. Okay, you just ask in the chat box. Okay, so how to make this efficient? Okay, at maths I already told. So usually I will give a code, guys. Okay, so when you understand what I say, you type number 1. Okay, kalau kamu faham apa yang saya ajar, kamu type 1 dalam ruangan komen. Kalau tak faham, kamu type 2. Okay, if you don't understand, you type 2. Senang kan? So maksudnya kalau kamu type 2, maksudnya kamu ada soalan lah nak tanya saya. Okay, if you type 2, you must tell what is your question. Okay, so bila saya kata macam faham ke tak yang ni, do you all understand or not? Lepas tu kamu letak nombor 1, 2, 1, 2, apa yang kamu fikirlah. Tapi jangan tipu guys. Kalau kamu memang ada soalan, jangan pula type 1. Okay, kalau macam tu kamu tak bantu diri kamu pun. Saya tak boleh bantu kamu. Okay, you must be honest guys. Even if slightly you don't understand, maksudnya 10% tak faham, 90% faham, pun cakap nombor 2. Okay, because 10% saya boleh tukar dia jadi 100%. Okay, 100% faham lebih bagus. Okay, this one is math. Yes. Okay, Form 4 Chapter 1, quadratic function. Okay guys, so yeah, are you all clear with the rules? Semua jelas tentang peraturan kelas ni? Okay, very good. So yeah, I think sir buat NMATS. Yvette, yesterday I already have the intensive for NMATS. You forget already, is it? It's Monday. Monday NMATS, Tuesday mathematics. Okay. So same timing, 8 to 9:30. Okay. So we start first. Okay. So today we will talk on Form 4 Chapter 1, Modern Maths, Quadratic Function. Okay guys, who feel like they are not good at this topic? Siapa rasa macam dia tak bagus dalam bab ni? Form 4 Chapter 1. Cuba komen atau angkat tangan. Me. Okay. Wah, banyak juga. Wow. I never expect this because I thought this chapter is quite easy. Saya rasa macam bab ni okay, tapi wow. Okay, got a lot of people also. Okay, so didn't focus much in Form 4. Confusing sometimes. Okay, but if you take AdMaths, right? Any one of you here take AdMaths? I think this chapter is your basic. Am I right? Kalau kamu ambil AdMaths, bab ni adalah basic untuk Form 4 kamu. So, kena master bab ni. Okay, this 100% you must master. Okay? Alright, so sebelum kita mula, I give you all a quote lah. Okay, hard work beats talent if talent doesn't work hard. Faham kan pepatah ni? Okay, I think you all have seen this also before. A good example is mungkin kamu seorang yang selalu underachiever, low performer. Maksudnya kamu tak achieve sangat bagus dalam peperiksaan. You never get good grades one. But then you always see your kawan get good grade. Anyone like this? Selalu nampak seorang kawan tu yang dapat A. Always get A or A plus for maths or AdMaths. Mungkin ada orang kan macam ni. Mungkin kamu adalah orang yang pandang pada orang tu. You look up to that person because he always score A or A plus. Yeah, it's got many people, right? So what is the advice is trust in hard work. Okay, kena percaya pada usaha keras. Always, if you work hard, the result will show at the end of the day. No need to tell the whole world, guys. Jangan bagi tahu dunia kamu sedang berusaha. Kamu usaha dalam senyap. That is the best. You work in silence and let success make the noise. Bagi kejayaan tu bawa bunyi yang sangat besar. Okay, so that is the best thing. No need to show off how hard you work all. Kamu hard work dalam silence. Okay, then you will get good result. Okay, so yeah, so this is the code for today. Okay guys, so we will start. Okay, quadratic function. Okay, so guys, first question. Quadratic function. What is your general formula? Apa bentuk for quadratic? Can anyone tell me what is the answer? This one basic. Everything in this topic is about this one. Yes. Okay, bentuk dia adalah yang ni. This is your general form. AX square plus BX plus C. Okay, very good. Correct. Okay, let me ask you. Let's say saya ubah sikit. Okay, saya tanya soalan sekarang. Adakah ni kuadratik ke tak yang saya baru tulis ni? Is this a quadratic equation? Yes or no? Think carefully guys. Fikir betul-betul lepas tu jawab. Adakah yang ni fungsi kuadratik? Yes. Of course the answer is yes guys. Guys, don't be confused. Doesn't mean must have plus C at the end to be called quadratic. Tak semestinya kena ada tambah C untuk kamu panggil tu persamaan kuadratik. It might not have a plus C, but it's also known as quadratic. Okay, I change the question again. Saya ubah soalan. Okay, can I ask you? Is this a quadratic equation, guys? Adakah ini persamaan kuadratik? Yes or no? Yes, very good. What makes it not a ungkapan kuadratik? Okay, if not ungkapan kuadratik, maybe something like this. Okay, guys, y equal 2x plus 7. What is this form? Apa bentuk ni? Nama yang kita bagi. What is the form? Y equal to mx plus c. Yes, linear, guys. Bentuk linear. Okay, so why is it linear? Because kuasa x adalah 1. The power of x is 1. Yes, means basically if you don't have power 2, it is not quadratic. Kalau kamu tak nampak kuasa 2 tu, itu bukan persamaan kuadratik. Boleh faham guys? Oh, 3 is not in syllabus. Kuasa 3 bukan dalam syllabus matematik. Tapi sesiapa tahu, untuk x kuasa 3, graf ni nama apa? If you have x power 3, what type of graph is this? Anyone know? Exam takkan tanya lah kod. Tapi sesiapa tahu tak? Apa nama untuk graf sebegini? Anyone? Don't know. Think outside the box. Yes. The answer is cubic, guys. Pernah dengar, guys? Graph cubic. Why cubic, guys? Cube. What is cube, guys? Cube mean kuasa 3. Betul? 2 kuasa 3. 2 cube. X cube. So cubic. Okay, graph cubic. Alright. So this one just extra knowledge only lah. Okay, ilmu tambahan saja. Okay, so now you understand already. Yes, don't learn. Sometimes they will ask you to draw the graph. Dia boleh suruh kamu lukis graph macam ni. Okay, pernah nampak tak guys soalan macam ni? I rasa ni dalam lower form, tingkatan rendah, menengah rendah. Okay, they will ask you to plot a graph. Okay, lepas tu lukis graph kan? So yang tu mereka boleh bagi macam-macam bentuk graph. So you must generally know the shape. Kena tahu bentuk dia. Okay, because they can ask you this one. That's why I say X kuasa 3 pun kena tahu. Okay, so basically you plot all the point, right? Then you just connect all the point. So cubic, something like this. Okay, X kuasa 3 graph dia macam ni. Alright. So ataupun macam ni pun boleh. Dua jenis bentuk. Alright. So kalau boleh hafal, kamu hafal macam mana dia nampak. Okay, so that kamu tak blank dalam exam bila tanya. Alright. So yeah. Okay. So now, okay, katakan saya ubah lagi. Guys, AX kuasa 2. Adakah ini graf kuadratik, guys? Is this a quadratic graph? Yes or no? Very good. Yes. Means you all understand lah. Okay, maksudnya walaupun tak ada B, tak ada C, kamu lihat kuasa 2. Ada kuasa 2, kuadratik. Okay? So yes, this is the general concept of quadratic. Very good. Okay, but now guys, I change the question. Guys, is this quadratic? Adakah ini fungsi kuadratik? Ada X kuasa 2? Bukan. Very good. Okay, because sebenarnya adalah X kuasa negatif 2. It is X power negative 2, guys. Not power 2. Okay, power 2 sebab dia kat bawah. Okay, so you cannot see it like that. Tak boleh nampak macam tu. Kamu kena bawa dia naik atas. Okay, bring the power from bottom to the top. Okay, so positive bottom, negative at the top. Alright, so yeah. Okay, are you clear guys so far? Boleh faham apa yang saya kata? Do you understand what I say? Okay, very good. You all use the code, Very good. 1. So far, no number 2. Okay, very good. Okay, guys. So, like what they say lah. Okay, kuasa tertinggi pemboleh ubah X mesti 2. Okay, the power of X must be 2 to be called quadratic. Okay, so you can see example. Okay, 2x square. Okay, so you see x square. Okay, guys. One more thing, Jangan kamu ingat fungsi kuadratik hanya boleh dalam sebutan X tau. Quadratic equation doesn't mean it's only X. I can say something like this. So guys, is this quadratic? Yes or no? Saya tukar X kepada K. Yes, masih boleh. Jangan fix minda X sahaja adalah kuadratik. Salah. Okay, wrong concept. If you just think that X is a quadratic equation, it's wrong. You can put any letter you like. Apa-apa huruf yang kamu suka. Z pun boleh. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so this is an example, bukan quadratic. Okay, why? Because 16 minus 3y. This is linear, guys. Ini adalah persamaan linear. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, lain contoh. Okay, macam ni. Okay, guys. Focus on this question. This one is not quadratic, you know. Walaupun kamu nampak P kuasa 2 kan, you see P power 2, but this is not quadratic. Because you see, you have two variable. Kamu ada dua pemboleh ubah kat sini, P and Q. So you must take note, quadratic got dua ciri utama. Ciri pertama, kuasa tertinggi pemboleh ubah tu adalah 2. The highest power of the variable must be 2. Second ciri, must only have one variable. Yes, kena ada satu pemboleh ubah sahaja. Jelas guys? So check these two criteria. Dua kriteria ni kena tumpukan perhatian. Baru kamu boleh bagi tahu itu adalah kuadratik. Okay guys? Boleh? Senang tak? sampai sekarang? Okay. So next one. Okay, so sekarang kita lihat, kita analisis persamaan dia. Okay, we analyze the equation. Okay, first one, kita lihat nilai A. Okay guys, nilai A ni, sorry, yang tadi tu kenapa bukan fungsi kuadratik? Oh, sebab ada dua pemboleh ubah. Adila, lihat kat sini. PQ. PQ maksudnya dua pemboleh ubah. P dan Q. Okay, dia kira berasingan. Okay, so dia tak boleh jadi kuadratik. Walaupun nampak macam bentuk tu kan, tapi kamu lihat, kamu hanya ada satu pemalar sahaja kat sini, iaitu -3. Okay, you got only one constant here guys. In quadratic, you must have at least 3 constant, 3 pemalar. Okay, tapi kat sini ada 2 sahaja. Yang ni satu kat depan, -3 belakang. Kalau A dan B tu, wait guys, kenapa screen blank? Tak ada guys, tiba-tiba tak tahu apa jadi. Wait for a while lah guys. Okay, boleh nampak sekarang kan? Okay, just now kalau A and B. Okay, Yvette, which question? A and B. Do you mean A and B value in quadratic? What is your meaning? A and B. A and B. Can I explain a bit more? Okay, later you type. I continue with this one. Okay guys, so kalau kamu nampak yang ni, nilai A. Nilai A ni pengaruhi apa sebenarnya? What does your A value influence? Can anyone tell me? Dia mempengaruhi apa dalam graph? What do you all think? A value. Yes, it influence the shape. Dia pengaruhi bentuk graph. Okay, so kamu hanya ada 2 bentuk guys. 2 shape only. Okay, senyum, masam. Okay, smiley and crying curve. Okay, only 2 type. Yes, very good. Okay, so when you have a smiley curve, bila kamu ada lengkung yang senyum, A kena lebih besar dari kosong. Okay, A greater than 0. Okay, A lebih besar dari kosong maksudnya positif kan? So positif kamu buat apa guys? Positif kamu akan senyum kan? Takkan positif kamu masam. Okay, ya, common sense, logic. Okay, so A greater than 0, kamu akan senyum. Okay, kalau A lebih kurang dari 0, means negative. Okay, so kamu akan dapat muka masam. Crying curve. P square plus PQ equal 3 is not quadratic. Then AX square. Oh, Yvette, you misunderstand. So, okay, maybe one more thing I forget to tell you all. Okay guys, take note A, B dan C kat sini, dia bawa maksud pemalar tau. Do you all understand what is the meaning of constant? Everyone here? Constant or pemalar in BM. Okay, they are actually mean numbers. Nombor biasa. Okay, so even A and B is not variable, you know. A dan B bukan pemboleh ubah kat sini. Kamu boleh isi dia dengan nombor. You can fill it with numbers. Okay, we have to write like this because this is the general form, bentuk am. Whenever you see general form, you won't have any numbers. Kamu takkan ada nombor untuk bentuk am. Sebab bentuk am dia tunjuk persamaan saja. Dia takkan ganti nilai kat dalam lagi. Boleh faham guys? Do you all understand? 1 or 2? Okay, so make sure jangan confuse. Jangan anggap A, B dan C ni 3 pemboleh ubah. Bukan. Dia adalah 3 pemalar. 3 constant. Okay? Very good. Okay, now guys. Tadi kamu lihat kan A lebih besar dari kosong senyum. A lebih kecil dari kosong masam. Okay guys, sekarang saya tanya satu soalan kebat pula. Macam mana graf dia nampak guys? Kalau A sama dengan kosong. Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? If A is 0, how is the graph? Can anyone tell me? Is it quadratic? Very good. Means you understand. Kamu faham? Yes. It's a straight line guys. Okay, why? AX square plus BX plus C. Kalau A kosong guys, maksudnya yang ni tak ada. Okay, you don't have AX square. Kamu tinggal BX tambah C. BX tambah C adalah persamaan garis lurus. Okay, straight line equation. So A equals 0, you will get straight line. Boleh faham? So macam ni sajalah. Okay, untuk nilai A. Alright. B is gradient. Yes, B is gradient in the straight line. Correct. But usually for gradient, we will use symbol M. Am I right, guys? Untuk kecerunan kita biasanya guna M kan? Yeah. So better to maintain M. Okay, jangan confuse. And also y-intercept, we usually use C. Okay, pintasan Y adalah C. How the straight line in graph? What do you mean will be? Straight line, normal. You just draw a straight line like this or like this. This is linear graph. Okay. Kecerunan, given mx plus c. Yes, y equal to mx plus c. Okay. That is your straight line equation. Persamaan garis lurus. Okay. So settle with A. Now we go with B. Okay guys. B ni mempengaruhi apa? Sat. Bukan. Sebelum tu. Okay, so before you go to the B value, you must know certain important terms in the quadratic graph. Okay, kamu kena tahu ciri-ciri lah graph quadratic. Okay, so why is it important? Usually, in exam kertas 2, dia suka tanya kamu laka graph quadratic. Betul guys? They will ask you to sketch the graph for the question in quadratic chapter. Okay, so how to sketch? Macam mana nak lukis graph? Okay, so kamu kena tunjuk beberapa titik yang penting. You must show important point. First point, very important, y-intercept, pintasan Y. Kamu kena label dalam jawapan kamu. Okay, got mark, ada satu markah. Second, minimum point ataupun maximum point. Titik minimum atau maximum kena label. Yang tu nombor 2. Okay, nombor 3, apa-apa coordinate lain yang kamu plot. Any other point that you plot on the graph like this. Okay, so that kamu boleh dapat bentuk dia dengan bagus. Okay, and then of course label paksi X dan paksi Y dengan skala seragam. Okay, label your X axis and Y axis with uniform scale. Okay guys, clear? So you got 4 things to label, and also origin, asalan. How to identify titik max and min? Very simple. Okay, I can explain from here. Okay guys, for A greater than 0, can you all tell me maximum or minimum? Adakah kamu akan dapat nilai maximum atau minimum untuk graf A lebih besar dari 0? Yes, very good guys. Yeah, minimum. Okay, because can you see guys, this point is at the bottom. Titik ni kat bawah. Okay, so it's minimum. Okay, and then if A less than 0, you will have maximum. Sebab titik tu ke atas. Okay, maximum point. Alright. So, bila kamu laka graph, kamu boleh nampak. Okay, when you draw the shape, you understand already. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so this is how your graph will look. Something like this. And then, usually, if can, you try to label the point on your graph. Maksudnya, kamu plotkan titik ni. So, kamu label koordinat dia juga. Negatif 1, 3. Terutamanya titik minimum, kamu label. Atau maximum. Usually, the minimum or max point, we will label the coordinate on the graph. Titik lain tak perlu. Hanya titik minimum atau maximum. Because mereka suka fokus yang tu. Alright? Okay, so about the shape of the graph, bentuk kuadratik, kadang-kadang kamu rasa susah kan nak laka graph kuadratik. Siapa rasa macam tu? Who feel very hard to draw the curve? Okay, so macam mana nak improve yang tu, kamu kena practice saja. Tak apa. Mereka takkan nilai kecantikan lukisan guys dalam matematik. Guys, kalau mereka betul-betul lihat kecantikan kan, kamu semua takkan dapat A pun. Sebab memang takkan dapat. Mereka lihat logik saja dalam matematik. They see if your graph is logical, betul dah. Okay? Kekemasan tak? Kalau kekemasan kamu pergi masuk kelas seni. Mungkin kamu lukis graph kuadratik kat situ, kamu akan dinilai dari segi kekemasan. Okay, tapi matematik bukan macam tu. As long kamu plot titik betul dan bentuk arm graph tu nampak macam kuadratik, betul. Okay, but of course lah, jangan terlebih pula. Jangan Jangan lukis sangat buruk. Okay, don't draw that badly until they have to minus your mark. Okay, so yeah, just practice a few times. Kamu cuba lakar graf tu beberapa kali, kamu akan dapat dah macam mana tangan tu pergi. Okay, siapa ambil seni kat sini? Cuba komen. Who take art over here? God. So you know, right? Before you draw something, you must like loosen your hand, right? Kena bagi tangan tu boleh lukis lah. Okay, kena dapat bentuk dia. So kamu kena buat berulang kali. You have to do many times. Then you will get the shape. I'm not joking, you know, guys. This technique really help, you know. When you try out doing it many times, you will get the shape. Graphic counts. What do you mean by graphic? Graph or graphic? Actually, right, guys, in graph, generally lah, for mathematics, they got see on the smoothness of graph. Okay, sebenarnya mereka check juga macam mana nak kata kekemasan lah, boleh kata kekemasan. Yes, Ojive also same. Kelicinan, betul, kelicinan graph. Okay, so maksud kelicinan adalah contoh, guys. Kamu lukis graf kan? Okay, saya cuba tunjuk kat kamu. Okay, guys, kuadratik macam ni kan? Kamu mula. Lepas tu, tiba-tiba graf kamu tekan macam ni. Maksudnya, satu part kamu lukis lembut. Satu part kamu lukis tebal. Itu dikira tak licin. Okay, guys? Do you all understand? Means when you draw your graph, one part is very thin, like this, and another part very fat, they will count as not kemas. Okay, so make sure your graph is consistent throughout. Okay, cannot have double line. Okay, double line means that kamu lukis dua kali atas bahagian tu, tak boleh. Okay, lukis sekali saja, one shot, you must draw the graph. Tak boleh lukis dua kali. Okay, and also if you draw wrongly, not no marks, minus maybe 1 mark only lah. Tolak satu markah saja. You will still get mark for plotting the point correctly. Bila kamu plot titik dengan betul, kamu dah ada markah, guys. Okay, mungkin satu atau dua markah. Dua maksimum untuk kekemasan. Okay, tapi lain markah semua kamu boleh dapat. Okay, so yeah. Yeah. So anything else you want to ask about the graph? Maran is here already. Wow, you still come. This kind of question berapa mark? Usually 4, I think, if not mistaken. Biasanya 4, tapi tak fix lah. Bergantung kat mana dia keluar. Okay, but if section A, usually 4, paper 2. Alright, so boleh score kan, guys? 4 markah ni. Tak susah kan? Very easy, right? You just need to draw the graph only. Okay, sebenarnya yang ni adalah markah free sahaja. Markah percuma. Sebab senang nak score. Kamu hanya perlu plot titik sahaja. Alright? Okay, so we go to the next one. Wait, let me think. Okay, yeah. Admaths different story. Okay, guys. Okay, another thing that you all must remember in modern maths, this formula. Kamu kena hafal formula ni, guys. Okay, you must know. If the paper already koyak, I can get a new paper. Okay, this one is extreme case already. I actually don't know. I never experienced this, but I think should be able to. You try and see lah one time. But when you try, it's SPM. Am I right? So I don't think you want to do that, right? When you try, it's going to be SPM already. So guys, bila padam kan, jangan padam terlalu banyak. Bila lukis graph. Okay, kalau kertas koyak, tak tahulah macam mana nak lukis graph dah. Kamu mintalah kertas graph tambahan kod kat pemeriksa. Okay, you ask the extra graph paper. If got, I think they should have. Akan ada kod. Can we use this formula? Can. Guys, anyone take Admaths? Modern maths formula you can use in Admaths. No problem. Tapi Admaths formula cannot use in modern maths. Okay, rumus Admaths jangan pakai kat modern maths. Rumus modern maths boleh pakai kat Admaths. Itu petua dia. Axis of symmetry, yes. Okay, paksi simetri dengan titik minimum. Bukan. Paksi simetri adalah nilai X. Contoh X sama dengan negatif 3. This is paksi simetri. Titik minimum, titik maksudnya kamu kena ada koordinat X dan Y. Contoh macam ni. This the difference, guys. Okay? Wait, I go on top for the question. I tore my paper but only in the corner. Okay. At least not the whole paper. So nanti you ada ajar macam mana? Yes, akan ajar juga. Alright. Koordinat nak cari senang saja. Kamu belajar yang tu masa menengah rendah pun. Betul? Macam mana tulis koordinat. Itu adalah asas lah untuk bab ni. Okay? Alright. So, rumus bagi paksi simetri adalah yang ni. Okay, so you must remember it. Axis of symmetry formula. Okay, sebab mengapa rumus ni penting? Kadang-kadang, bila mereka tak bagi graf kat kamu, guys. When they don't give you the graph. Okay, contoh. Y equal to X square plus 3. Okay, contoh graf macam ni. Dia suruh tanya. Dia tanya. Paksi simetri graf ni apa? What is the axis of symmetry? So, macam mana nak cari, guys? Kalau kamu tak ada graf. If you don't have the graph, kamu kena guna persamaan ni. Betul, guys? Kalau tak, kamu kena lukislah graf ni secara satu persatu. Kamu semua tak mau buatkan yang tu. Okay, you no need to draw the graph one. Direct use the formula. X equal negative B over 2A. Okay, and also take note, kadang-kadang orang akan try kat sini. Okay, take note guys, ada simbol negatif. Kena tambah negatif. Formula ada negatif kat sini. So, kalau kamu tak tulis negatif, habis. Okay, so remember got negative. Alright? Okay, so now, this kind of graph, this is the second type of graph. Satu lagi jenis. Yang ni adalah titik minimum. Yang ni pula titik maksimum. Okay, so graph is crying. Okay, so guys, can you all tell me what is the axis of symmetry for this graph? Based on the equation. Kamu nampak persamaan dan kira bagi saya. Apa paksi simetri kamu? What is your axis of symmetry? Kamu guna rumus tu. So, bila dapat jawapan, boleh bagi tahu. Rumus tu takkan diberi tahu, guys. So, kamu kena hafal. Rumus tu tak diberi. Okay, that formula is not given to you. So, must memorize one. Ketaksamaan linear. Nicholas, what do you mean? Ketaksamaan linear? I don't understand. Yes, correct. Okay, x equal to -1. Yes, guys. So, you see, based on this equation, you can find the axis of symmetry. Persamaan paksi simetri. Okay, so negative B over 2A. That's all. Okay, so negative 2. Bahagi 2 kali -1. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. That's why the graph is crying. Yes. Guys, bila buat matematik, kamu semua punya emosi macam ni kan? Betul kan? When you all do maths, your emotion is like this. Am I right? Always crying. Selalu kertas matematik pasti akan basah. Betul tak, guys? Am I right? Not because kamu letak air ke atas kertas tu. You never put water on top of the paper sebab kamu menangis. Itu sebab kertas tu basah selalu. We make the maths teacher cry because our answer. Okay, guys, please in SPM jangan bagi kertas SPM basah. Walaupun air mata kamu. Itu masih dikira basah tau. Okay, so if you put tears on the paper, I don't know what to say. Later, sweating won't basah. The crying only can basah. Okay, so yeah. Because kalau soalan basah, habis. Tak boleh baca jawapan kamu. Okay, alright guys. So, don't lah like that. Guys, to be honest lah, believe in God, He will do everything. To me lah, bagi saya, if you don't put in the hard work, do you think God will help you, guys? Can I ask you all honestly? Kalau kamu tak bagi usaha, Tuhan boleh tolong tak? Saya tanya kamu sekarang. Semua kat sini. Sebab kamu semua percayakan pada Tuhan. You believe in God, right? So if you don't work hard, will God give you A+ in SPM? Yes, okay, so I want to see you get A+. Means that kalau kamu tak perlu bagi usaha, kamu dapat A+ kan? Mengapa kamu kena pergi sekolah, guys? Mengapa perlu pergi tuition? Tak perlu. Terus duduk SPM lah. Confirm A+ dah ada kat situ tanpa usaha. Am I right? Need to have effort. Of course, unless you are genius lah. Melainkan kamu adalah pelajar lahir dah genius. Tak perlu belajar boleh dapat markah tinggi. Saya rasa tak banyak orang macam tu kan. Not many people like that. Mungkin kurang dari 5% lah dalam negara. So 95% also is normal people only, orang biasa. Yes, genius also must practice. Betul? Correct? So kalau genius pun kena buat latihan, apatah lagi kita. Kita pun kena buat lebih banyak. Okay? Jangan. Tak bagus punya. Jangan harap jadi genius. Kenapa tahu guys? Sebab bila jadi genius tahu kamu akan rasa macam dalam alam yang berlainan. Faham tak maksud saya? When you become a genius, right? You will feel like you are very different from the rest. I know it's good to be different from the rest, but in a very bad way. Because you will feel like I have no competition. Am I right? Tak ada persaingan. Sebab kamu dah genius dah. Apa lagi nak saing? Saya dah lebih bagus dari semua orang. Okay, that's why lebih bagus jadi orang biasa. Sebab kamu masih boleh saing dengan semua form 5 kamu. Okay, that one different case tadi. Okay guys, until now, you understand or not? Semua faham tak? Lesson sampai sekarang. Nilai B adalah nilai yes, correct. Okay, very good. Okay, so now we talk about, let me see. Okay, guys. One thing you must take note, you all learn relation, right? Before. Kamu pernah belajar hubungan kan? Kat menengah rendah matematik. Satu kepada satu, satu kepada banyak, all of those, right? One to one, many to one, all of that. So guys, quadratic is actually a many to one relation. Hubungan banyak kepada satu. Okay, mengapa macam tu? Okay, mengapa banyak kepada satu? Okay guys, kamu lihat. Quadratic, banyak maksudnya merujuk kepada apa guys? Objek atau image? Banyak. Perkataan banyak tu. Objek banyak atau image banyak? What do you all think? Yes, objek banyak. Okay, so kamu lihat sini guys. Okay, kamu bagi tahu saya berapa nilai Y kamu ada kat sini berdasarkan apa yang saya lukis. How many Y value you have? Y value guys, nilai Y. Tengok nilai Y. Garis lurus tahu. Yes, satu sahaja. Tapi nilai X, berapa nilai X kamu ada guys? How many X value? Yes, you got 2. X1, X2. So guys, can you see? Many, banyak, kepada 1, many to 1. Okay, 2X, 1Y. Itu adalah hubungan banyak kepada 1. Many to 1. 1 to many means that 1X, 2Y. Terbalik from this one. Okay? 1X, 2Y is 1 to many. Alright? So, yeah. Okay, understand this one? Boleh dapat? 1 or 2? This one is just keep in mind only. Kamu fikir benda ni saja. Tak perlu tengok sangat banyak. Okay? Alright. So now we talk about A value guys. Okay, so just now you tell A value affect the shape. Am I right? Nilai A itu pengaruhi bentuk graf. Okay, so macam mana dia pengaruhi? Dari aspek kelebaran. The width. How wide is your graph? Okay, so how to know this guys? Okay, a lot of you were confused over here. Am I right? Kamu semua confused kan? A besar, graf sempit. A kecil, graf besar. Sebab dia songsang tahu. It is opposite to each other. Okay, so how to what to say? Remember this. Sorry, nak tengok formula. Boleh? Yang ni. Yang ni kena hafal tahu guys. Formula ni. X equal negative B over 2A. Okay? Alright. Okay guys. So macam mana nak hafal sebenarnya case ni, nilai ni? Okay, sangat senang. Kamu boleh lukis graf. Itu adalah satu cara untuk tahu macam mana A itu pengaruhi bentuk atau kelebaran. Okay, you can draw graph to investigate how the A value affect the width of the graph. Okay, second method is actually you can use the formula. Kamu guna rumus ni. Okay? Maybe some of you never think of this. Mungkin tak fikir yang ni, tapi tak apa. Saya bagi kamu peluang untuk fikir. Okay guys, kalau nilai A besar, okay, siapa boleh bagi tahu saya, apa jadi pada nilai X? If your A value is large, X value, what will happen? Apa jadi? Very good. Guys, can you all tell me, kalau nilai X kecil, maksudnya apa guys? If your X value becomes small, what does it mean? Maksudnya? No. In term of the shape of the graph. Dari segi bentuk graph. Kalau X tu kecil, maksudnya paksi simetri kecil, yes, the curve will become smaller. Boleh faham tak guys? Kenapa bila A besar, graph tu sempit? So that's why guys, tak perlu hafal. Jangan hafal. Understand. Faham. Kenapa macam tu? When A bigger, X smaller, maksudnya graph lebih sempit. Sebab kalau nilai paksi simetri tu lebih kecil, pastinya graf lebih sempit lah. Okay, sebab paksi simetri adalah garis yang membahagikan graf tu pada dua bahagian. Okay, your axis of symmetry is dividing the graph into two different part. Okay, yes. When X smaller, the distance will become smaller. So that's why your shape becomes smaller. If A smaller, which the curve will be bigger. If the A is smaller, yes, correct, Nicholas. You get the concept. Okay, guys. But when you do this, right, one condition, satu syarat untuk bagi hubungan ni sah. So, siapa tahu apa syarat yang saya kena buat kat sini? There is one condition I must make to ensure my relationship is correct. Anyone? What is the one condition? This one is like science, you know, guys. You know when you learn science, right? Kamu ada pemboleh ubah manipulasi, begar balas, dimalakan. Betul? MV, RV, CV in English. So guys, can you all tell me, MV kat sini apa? Pemboleh ubah manipulasi. Nilai apa kat sini? Yes, very good. Ini adalah pemboleh ubah dimanipulasi. MV. What is your RV guys? Begar balas apa? Very good. Okay, ini adalah begar balas. So guys, nilai B ni apa sebenarnya? Dia kena dimalalkan, constant. Then baru kita boleh siasat hubungan antara A dan B. Betul guys? Senang kan nak faham? So sekarang kita nak uji dua ni. So satu lagi kena constant, pemalar. Okay? So yeah, selalunya matematik macam ni. Kalau kamu nak siasat hubungan antara dua pemboleh ubah, yang lain semua kena dimalalkan. Make it all constant when you want to investigate tu. Kalau nilai X kecil, tak. Nilai X kecil maksudnya graf jadi lebih sempit, lebih kecil. Okay? So, yeah. Sebab X tu mewakili paksi simetri kamu. Okay? So, paksi simetri kecil, graf sempit. Ataupun graf kecil. Boleh? Senang kan? Sebab paksi simetri dengan nilai X tu dia saling berkait. Alright? The size depends. Yes, correct. Like what Nitya said. Okay. So clear, guys? One or two on this question? One, huh? Okay, very good. Next one. Okay, so now we talk about the B, guys. Okay, guys. Nilai B ni pengaruhi apa? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? What does the B value affect? Dalam pemikiran kamu tahu, jangan refer yang ni. Kamu berdasarkan pemikiran kamu, based on your understanding. Negative, positive. Okay, Yvette correct. Left or right. Means that translation. Betul? Okay, kamu gerak ke kiri atau ke kanan. Yang ni adalah translasi. Translation. Moving right or left. Okay? So, yeah. Negative, positive. Correct. Okay, so how to interpret? Okay, so contoh X tambah 2. Okay, so maksudnya, wait lah guys. Yang ni sensitif sangat. Okay, so when X plus 2, maksudnya X akan sama dengan 2 unit ke kiri. Betul? Okay, X tambah 2 maksudnya graf tu gerak 2 unit ke kiri. Okay, jangan confuse lah guys. Kamu mungkin nampak tambah 2, so kamu fikir 2 unit ke kanan. Salah. Okay, it doesn't mean plus 2 is 2 unit to the right. It's wrong concept. It's to the left. Okay, sebab kamu kena cari nilai X. So, kamu buat anggapan X tambah 2 sama dengan kosong. So, X sama dengan negatif 2. So, maksudnya kamu gerak graf tu 2 unit ke kiri. Okay. So, kalau X tolak 3 guys, kiri ke kanan? Sekarang untuk bagi kamu semua confused. Kanan kiri, kiri kanan. Yang mana? X tolak 3, kanan. Okay, kita latih lagi. Kena bagi minda fresh sikit. Okay guys, X tolak 5 kuasa 2. Kanan ke kiri? Right or left? X minus 5 square. Right or left? Fikir. Cepat. Yes, right. X tambah 3 kuasa 2. Right or left? Kiri ke kanan? Very good. So you're not confused lah. Kamu tak confused. Bagus. Okay, correct. Okay, how if X kuasa 2 guys? Kiri ke kanan? X kuasa 2 sahaja. Very good, Irat. Middle guys. Jangan, bukan kanan Yes, kat tengah-tengah. Tak gerak apa-apa pun. Sebab koordinat dia kosong. Yes, dia di atas paksi Y. Very good. Okay, so yeah. So kamu boleh faham macam ni lah. Okay, so satu lagi kaedah, teacher, do graph also become narrower if it's negative. Negative, you mean what? You mean the B value? The B value become negative? Is it that's what you're asking? Usually, right guys, the graph become narrower when negative A increase, graph narrower. Yes, correct. When A increase, your graph is narrower. B value won't affect the width of the graph guys. Nilai B takkan pengaruhi kelebaran graph. Hanya nilai A sahaja. B akan pengaruhi kiri atau kanan. Okay, B affect the translation, left or right. So if in the middle, because yes, correct. 0. 0 is not positive and not negative. Okay, kamu kena ingat guys, kosong tu bukan positif tau. Banyak orang anggap kosong tu adalah nombor positif. Salah. Dia bukan nombor positif, dia juga bukan nombor negatif. Dia adalah nombor yang unik. Okay, dia neutral. Okay, 0 is something like neutral. Means on the fence. Berdiri di atas pagar. Yes. Okay. So correct. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay guys, tadi kita lihat untuk A lebih besar dari kosong. Sekarang A lebih kurang dari kosong. Macam mana nilai B itu pengaruhi? Okay. So kat sini sebenarnya sangat mudah guys. Kamu guna balik rumus ini. Kamu boleh faham. Okay, contoh persamaan ni. Cuba cari guys, persamaan paksi simetri. Boleh bagi tahu saya apa jawapan dia? What is your axis of symmetry value? If you check and see, you will get negative answer. Betul? Kamu akan dapat jawapan negatif. So logic tak guys? Graf ni kat kedudukan negatif. Betul kan? Sebab dia terletak di kiri paksi Y. Can you all understand? It's on the left of the Y axis. Because your axis of symmetry is negative. So basically, kalau persamaan paksi simetri negatif, nilai dia, graf dia akan ke kiri dari paksi Y. Kalau persamaan paksi simetri positif, graf tu akan ke kanan dari paksi Y. Senang macam tu. Okay? Tapi kamu kena lihat nilai dia jugalah. You must see the value. Berapa ke kiri dan berapa ke kanan. Okay? Boleh guys? So contoh yang ni. Okay, yang ni kamu akan dapat persamaan paksi simetri positif. So dia ke kanan. Okay? So jangan kamu confuse sangat. Kena hafal. B macam ni. Kalau tambah kena ke mana? Tak perlu. Kamu guna rumus sahaja. Jangan hafal. Okay? Bila guna rumus, kamu pasti faham. Okay, you will understand. Okay guys? Clear? Satu atau dua? One or two? Clear? Okay. Next one. So, macam mana mau plot titik berdasarkan persamaan? Kamu boleh ganti apa-apa nilai X yang kamu suka dan cari nilai Y. Itu saja. Yes, same concept in Maths. No change. dari ke kiri atau ke kanan tu ikut yes. Betul. Okay. Sebab paksi simetri adalah macam titik tengah graf. Boleh faham kan? Sebab paksi simetri tu bagi graf kepada dua luas yang sama. So macam kat mana paksi simetri tu terletak, kat situlah graf tu. Sebab yang tu adalah titik tengah. Okay, wherever the axis of symmetry is, the graph will be in that region because that is your midpoint. Okay. Alright. So next one. Nilai C. So nilai C, ada apa-apa masalah? Tak ada kan? Atas bawah sahaja. Okay, tambah 4, kamu gerak atas 4. Negatif 4, gerak 4 ke bawah. That's all. Okay? Paksi simetri tu always gonna touch the yes. Remember guys, paksi simetri dia selalu sentuh titik maksimum atau minimum. Okay? Your axis of symmetry must pass to the max point. Can you see? This is the max point. Max point. Max point. Okay, dia kena lalui. Okay? Alright. So, sampai sini guys. Jelas? Boleh dapat semua? Any question you have? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya? Okay. So, kalau tak ada soalan tanya, sekarang saya bagi soalan. Okay, so now we are going to do the question regarding quadratic. Kita buat soalan untuk setengah jam ni. Okay? So, all these question right guys is from trial. Okay, soalan ni semua soalan trial 2024. The latest trial question saya ambil untuk bincang. Kertas 1 dan kertas 2 juga. Dua-dua. Okay? Alright. Okay guys. So, kamu baca soalan ni dulu. Okay, dan kalau boleh cuba bagi jawapan. Semua ni adalah jawapan dia. Okay, saya bagi masalah. So, berapa lama kamu semua nak? How long you all want guys to solve an objective question? Jangan kata 10 minit ah. Siapa kata 10 minit, kamu tak boleh habis kertas matematik. Okay? So, be reasonable. Okay, 2 minit is good. Okay, 2 minit guys untuk soalan ni. Tengok siapa boleh bagi jawapan paling pantas kat saya dan paling tepat. Saya nak 2 kriteria, paling pantas, paling tepat. Okay, so yang tu susah untuk buat. So, bila dapat jawapan, terus komen. A, B, C, D. Nanti saya cek. Step no need. Guys, objektif langkah tak penting. Kamu jawapan saja penting. Mereka takkan tengok langkah kamu. Langkah kamu boleh panjang satu muka surat. Tapi kalau jawapan salah, kamu masih salah. Okay? So, in objective, the most important thing is answer. So, always, objective, pandai main calculator. Objective, calculator very useful guys. Try to spend more time on calculator rather than writing. Tulis tu lebih kurang. Lebih banyak pakai calculator dalam objektif. Baru kamu boleh habis dengan cepat. Okay? Tapi kalau kamu rasa macam tulis jalan kira tu bagi kamu lebih banyak faham, it's okay. Kamu buat. Kalau kamu rasa macam tu, it's okay. Kaedah kamu. Setiap orang kaedah berbeza kan. Okay, each person will have different method. So, there's no right or wrong. Tak ada betul salah. Okay, some more people? Lagi orang? What is your answer? A, B, C, D? Okay, some more. Guys, you sure jawapan B? Semua kata B? Okay, got one different answer C. Some more. So I want to see. Majority still B. C. Okay, C. B. Okay, sekarang antara B dan C. Okay, I expected lah. Okay, A dan D memang salah. Kalau siapa-siapa kata A dan D, kamu memang ada masalah dah. Okay, got some problem in the understanding of quadratic. Okay, B and C sangat close. Very close answer. Okay, so the answer is actually, jawapan dia sebenarnya apa guys? Okay, so jawapannya C. Okay, so sekarang majority tak menang tau. Minority menang. Okay, C is the answer. Okay guys, I think you all careless. Kamu semua cuai saja. Guys, they ask you the speed, right? Mereka tanya laju. Guys, your laju is X tambah 2, you know. laju kamu bukan X. Do you all realize that? Kamu semua sedar tak yang tu? Nilai X kamu sebenarnya adalah 10. Am I right? You solve, you get X is 10, right? Kamu dapat nilai ni. Sekarang laju kamu adalah yang ni. So, kena tambah 2, guys. So, that's why the answer is C. Okay, don't careless. Jangan careless. Yes. Soalan akan tipu macam ni dalam matematik. Nampak senang kan? Very easy, right? Tapi senang nak buat salah juga. Because they add the plus 2. Tambah 2 kat situ. Daman, do you get X is 10 or not? First of all, do you get this after you solve quadratic? Do you get this answer? X equal 10. 120 kamu akan guna juga. Okay, calculation is here. I siap do calculation for you guys already. Yeah, this one. Okay, guys. So basically, you're using this formula. Speed equal to distance over time. Okay, laju sama dengan jarak bagi masa. Do you all still remember this formula, guys? Masih tak? Masih ingat tak yang ni? I think you all remember, right? Lower form, menengah rendah. So we are going to use this formula. Okay, so kamu ganti saja nilai. Just substitute, cross multiply, bentuk jadi dalam persamaan arm. Okay, make sure you get the general form, quadratic, and then you factorize. Buat pemfaktoran mudah. Okay, so you will get X is 10. Okay, negative 12 of course kita reject lah. Because laju tak boleh negatif. Okay, we cannot have negative speed. Okay, so that's why kamu kena tambah 2. So answer is 12. Boleh dapat, guys? Understand? Don't careless guys. Sangat frustrating. Okay, bila kamu dapat soalan macam ni salah. Sebab konsep kamu semua dah ada. Hanya bahagian terakhir tu saja. Okay? So, yeah. Tapi tak apalah. Okay, sebab yang ni objektif sahaja. So, okay. Okay, guys. When subjective, right? Kalau soalan ni keluar subjektif, kamu kena make sure kamu tulis langkah ni. Banyak orang takkan tulis langkah ni. Betul tak, guys? Am I right? Some of you akan skipkan langkah ni. Setengah orang kamu takkan tulis yang tu. Jangan. Kena tulis. Okay, must write. Sebab ada markah. Okay? So, kalau kamu terus bagi yang ni, walaupun betul, salah. Tak ada markah. Sebab kamu tak tunjuk macam mana kamu faktorkan. You must show how you factorize, guys, in mathematics, paper 2. Okay, if you don't show, you are not getting the mark. Okay, although your answer correct. So, this is the difference between paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 2, you must be very careful on your working. Jalan kira sangat penting. Paper 2. Paper 1 tak mengapa. Kamu buat macam mana kamu suka. As long jawapan betul, kamu okay. Okay? Ruby, have you copy ready? Sudah salin? Okay. So next question. Okay. Your favorite question lah, guys. Yang ni kamu suka. So what is the answer? Ingat, guys, kertas satu, ini adalah kawan baik kamu. Your best friend is your calculator. So actually, you don't need to show the step also. Terus tekan nilai dalam calculator saja. Dapat 2 nilai X kamu. Just press inside here. Get the answer. So you don't need to show working. So anyone? A, B, C, D? Yang ni uji berapa pantas kamu tekan calculator saja. It tells you how fast you press calculator. Okay, very good. Okay, everyone say A. Betul. Okay, so guys, you should get the answer A. Guys, kamu semua tahu kan macam mana guna calculator untuk quadratic. You all know, right, how to use calculator for quadratic equation. This one, kamu kena dapat yang ni dulu. Untuk yang guna fx pi 70 ms. Okay, lepas tu tekan EQN dan key in nilai. Okay, so you can use this method also for faster untuk dapat jawapan lebih pantas. Okay, so untuk yang nak manual method, macam ni lah. Okay, so kamu akan dapat satu jawapan saja. One answer. Okay, 1 or 2 guys. 1 atau 2 sampai sekarang. Okay, continue. Okay, next one. Okay, Alright, so soalan ni tanya apa persamaan bagi graf ni. Wait lah. Yvette, I will send the PDF in the group. You don't need to copy one. Don't worry. Saya akan hantar PDF nanti. Okay? Okay. Alright guys. So can you all tell me what will be the answer? Apa persamaan untuk graf yang ni? What is the equation? Okay, mungkin saya cuba tulis ke atas lah. Lebih senang bagi kamu. Okay, so A is negative x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so kamu pilih dari sini. Lebih senang. Okay, so yang ni kamu boleh bagi jawapan terus juga sebenarnya. Okay, sebab yang ni tengok bentuk saja. X square minus 2x minus 3. Kenapa sama? Oh, negatif. Okay guys, so what do you think is the answer? Apa jawapan kamu? Sama zoom out sama. Things should be okay, Eddie. CC. Wait guys. Let me see first. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, I went to the bottom question, Eddie. Never mind. We do this one first. So anyone? What is your answer, guys? Apa jawapan? Come on, guys. Apa jawapan? A, B, C, D. Which one? Ada 68 orang tahu kat sini. Cepat. When you answer this kind of question, right, guys, in maths, must be very fast. Kena sangat pantas. Because, yes, nanti saya akan hantar. I will share to you guys. For those not in my group, untuk yang bukan dalam group saya, boleh PM saya. Okay? Saya bagi nombor lah. I just give my number straight away. So anyone who want the PDF, you can PM my number. WhatsApp. Okay? Siapa nak PDF ni nanti? Kalau tak ada dalam grup saya. D. Okay, sama. Okay. Kenapa tadi? Wait guys. I think I salin silap kot. This one got negative. Sorry guys. Ada negative. Okay, very good. The answer is D. Correct. Okay, so macam mana boleh analisis graf ni guys? Okay, so basically, first step, you see the y-intercept. Lihat pintasan y, negatif 3. Okay, so semua jawapan betul. Okay, all the answer is correct. Negatif 3. Okay, second, bentuk guys. Shape of graph. Senyum. Means that A greater than 0. A lebih besar dari kosong. So maksudnya, A dan B dah salah. Okay, so tinggal C and D. So check nilai B. Okay, so how to check nilai B? Okay, ada alternatif juga kat sini. Kamu sebenarnya boleh bentukkan persamaan. Okay, mengapa? Sebab kamu ada punca dah. They already give you the roots, guys. So when they give you the roots, you can form the equation of the quadratic curve. Okay, so how to form equation, guys? Okay, so sekarang kamu kena fikir terbalik. Kamu ada jawapan yang ni kan? So apa dua kurungan ke atas yang boleh bagi jawapan ni? Can anyone tell? What are the two answers on top that I can get? X is negative 3, X is 1. Apa dua kurungan ke atas yang kamu boleh jangka? Yes, X plus 3. One more? Yes, X is X minus 1. Okay, so you just need to expand this one. Kembangkan yang ni saja, kamu akan dapat jawapan D. Okay, senang tak guys? Easy, right? Okay, kalau kamu tak mau buat macam tu, kamu boleh berdasarkan logik. Okay, sebab kamu boleh guna rumus X equal to negative B over 2A. Kamu test dengan dua jawapan ni. You check one by one. Okay, untuk C, you will get jawapan positif. Okay guys, tapi kamu lihat kat sini. Kamu rasa paksi simetri kat sini positif atau negatif? Is your axis of symmetry a positive answer or negative answer? based on the diagram. Yes. Kenapa caps? Kamu dah bosan ke dengan suara saya? Bila orang buat caps kan, saya tahu ada dua perasaan saja. Satu perasaan dia motivated sangat. Second perasaan dia dah bosan dah dengan suara saya. So harap dia adalah yang pertama lah, bukan yang kedua. Okay? Okay, so pertama kot. Okay, so the answer is donkey. Okay? Clear guys? Boleh dapat? So, ya, kamu boleh lihat graf dan jangka dah ke mana paksi simetri itu sebenarnya. Okay? Alright. So, kita lihat yang atas pula. Okay, so this one guys. So, can anyone tell me? Okay, so you must see the graph. Okay, so you see the shape. Why paksi symmetry? You look at the graph. Very simple. Can you see that the minimum point is over here? That means negative. Clear? That's all. No need to count also. Tak perlu kira pun nilai. That's why, right guys. Kertas satu sangat logic. Very logic. You no need to count the value. Kertas dua saja kena kira nilai. Okay, kertas satu bukan macam tu. Dia uji konsep saja. Okay, they just testing you whether you understand or not. All the things in quadratic. Okay? Okay guys. So for this graph, can anyone tell me what is the equation? Apa persamaan dia? Yang ni sangat senang. Kamu boleh dapatkan dah jawapan. So basically, graph dia macam ni. 6. Yes. Okay, jawapan dia adalah donkey. Very simple. Okay, kenapa? A, B salah? Sebab graph ni adalah senyum. Graph ni adalah masam. Okay, graph yang soalan tanya. Tapi A dan B adalah graph senyum. Okay, smiley curve. If angry means you must frown. Masam. Okay, and then C, wrong. Because y-intercept positive. Bukan negative. Okay, so answer is donkey. Senang tak guys? Quadratic. Easy right? You all only say very hard right? At the beginning. Ke awal lesson kamu cakap susah kan? Tapi tak susah kan? Bila kamu buat soalan. Okay, because kamu refresh balik konsep. So that's why kamu kena refresh selalu. Okay, konsep dalam quadratic. Okay, next one guys. Ada banyak objektif saya bagi kat kamu. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is okay lah, hopefully I make it easy. So, negative 6 graf dia bentuk mana? Negative 6. Negative 6 tu pintasan Y. Hana. So, dia akan gerak ke bawah lah graf tu. Okay, untuk bagi satu bahagian graf tu sentuh paksi Y. So, dia macam translasi. 6 unit ke bawah. Okay? Boleh dapat? Okay. Wah, so fast. Okay, the rest? What is your answer? Okay, saya tunjuk jawapan. A, B, C, D. Kamu boleh bagi huruf. What is the answer? Okay. Very good. Okay, so guys, why the answer cannot be C? Kenapa jawapan tak boleh C? Sebab 3 juga kan? Mengapa C salah? Y equal to 3. Okay, so this one, test on your basic also lah. Again. Okay guys, so if you understand very well, paksi simetri macam ni kan? Okay, it is a vertical line. Garis menegak. So garis menegak selalu kita akan ada X sama dengan apa? Kalau graf tu menegak, vertical line. Okay, but if horizontal, we will have Y. Y equal to something. Okay, so yeah, macam ni lah. Okay guys, one extra question I ask you, soalan tambahan. Guys, boleh tak saya panggil graf macam ni graf kuadratik? Yes or no? Cuba fikir sekejap. Saya tak bagi apa-apa persamaan. I never give you any equation. Is it quadratic or not? What do you all think? Wait, I got missed one question. Where is the question already? I think no. Okay. One to many. Let me see. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes, actually this one I take from AdBats actually. Okay, but the concept is still there. So guys, just now I tell you, right? Quadratic is what was it again? Many to one function. hubungan banyak kepada satu. So guys, if you refer this graph, right? Cuba lihat yang ni. Adakah ini banyak ke satu? Bukan kan? Ini adalah graf satu kepada banyak. Okay, you have 1x, 1x, 2y. So maksudnya satu kepada banyak. One to many. Okay, but quadratic is many to one. Okay, so dia yang ni bukan quadratic. Okay, so just extra question for you to think. Okay, so next one. Okay, yang ni sebenarnya tak ada hubungan lah dengan quadratic, tapi kamu kena tahu macam mana faktorkan. So can anyone tell what is the answer? Actually, this one is more on algebra. Kamu latih algebra kat sini. Macam mana faktorkan. Tapi ada quadratic jugalah kat sini. B square minus 4AC. Yes. That one at maths. Nitya, hopefully you don't scare some of the people here who only take maths. It's quite scary. For those never take maths, they don't know what you're talking on. See, Nicholas already scared. Trailer. Introduction to AdMaths. Come and join if you want. But trust me lah, guys. A lot of people, a lot of your juniors, they take the wrong step. Mereka ambil langkah silap. Okay, because they follow their friend. Betul? Mereka ikut stream sebab kawan, bukan minat. And then finally struggle. Especially AdMaths. Banyak orang sebenarnya tak boleh ambil AdMaths. Tapi dipaksa untuk ambil. They are forced. Okay, means bukan minat mereka. But they still want to take. So, I don't know. How to solve? Okay, answer guys. The rest. Lagi orang. What will be your final answer? Hey, got mixed answer. Okay, the answer is actually donkey. Okay, D. Okay, guys. First step. What is the common factor of these two number? Apa faktor serupa dua nombor ni? Okay, saya tanya soalan ni, kamu semua akan blur sekejap sebab yang ni bukan kuadratik. Yang ni adalah lower form. Okay, very good. You still understand. Okay, it's 3. 3 is the common factor. So common factor, yes, very good. Okay, but in this question, we just need 1. Okay, so it's 3. Okay guys, so first step, you faktorkan keluar nombor 3. Okay, so kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, so this format, kamu boleh faktorkan yang ni. Okay, this one you can factorize. Okay, so macam mana? Kamu boleh trial and error, one method. Okay, maksudnya kamu buat satu kombinasi, tengok boleh tak bagi balik jawapan ni. Okay, so you try lah. 5 times 5, 25. Plus 10M, minus 10M. Positif, negatif, habis. Okay, lepas tu negatif 2M kali 2M. Okay, so dapat negatif 4M kuasa 2. So betul lah pemfaktoran ni. Okay guys, can? Yang ni adalah cara kamu selesaikan persamaan kuadratik. Betul? This is the part where you solve your quadratic equation. Okay, tapi dia masuk bawah pemfaktoran. Okay? What if negative 3, 2m plus 5, negative 3, 2m plus 5, 2m plus 5. Okay. You must expand and see lah. Okay, I don't think you will get the same answer, if not mistaken. Okay, so mostly friends got A in maths. Yes, and maths always like that lah. Always will have the same problem. Okay, anyone here struggling at maths? Siapa kat sini ambil at maths dan rasa struggle? Me. Of course lah. Got many people. Very common. Sangat-sangat common. Okay guys, untuk yang first time join kelas saya, matematik kan, kamu join juga kelas intensif saya untuk AdMaths. Tengok macam mana. You see how it is. Sama konsep saja. Macam saya ajar sekarang. Saya ajar dulu, buat soalan. Macam tu. Okay? Next week kita buat bab 2. Form 4 chapter 2. So kamu join untuk quadratic function AdMaths. Okay? So yeah. Okay. So next question guys. Okay, this question a bit different. So can you all tell me what will be the answer? Okay, so I write the question here. Trigonometry calculus. Actually, when you do trial question, right, it'll come much easier. It look very hard at the start, but when you do the question, it'll be much easier. Okay, guys. So this is the question. So can anyone tell what will be your answer? Nampak susah, tapi senang saja. Do you have or don't have Telegram group? Only WhatsApp. I only have WhatsApp group. Teacher SMS card, do you have recording? Yes, got. You can refer my channel, YouTube channel. Later I will show to you guys. Okay, so what's the answer? 3 and -5. Let me see. Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, the answer is C. Okay, so basically this question, it tells you one more thing. Dia uji kamu concept index. It tells you on the indices. Yes. Okay, so remember, same base, I can plus the power. So you get something like this, and then you compare, bandingkan kuasa. Okay, then you get the answer D. Okay, so yes, so you will get C. Okay, next one. What graph, guys? Can you all tell me? Graph yang mana mewakili yang ni? Negatif X kuasa 2 tolak 2X. Sad face, okay, so it's between these two. So can anyone tell me which one will be the answer? Negative X square minus 2X. Eh? Guys, confident in your answer, you know. You must be confident with your answer. So which one is it? C or D for this equation? Kena yakin. Yes, very good. The answer is D. Correct. Okay, because your axis of symmetry is negative. Persamaan paksi simetri kat sini. Okay, so senang macam tu. Okay, so this one I think is the last objective question. Lepas tu we will try some subjective. Okay, so guys, faktorkan. Very simple. Answer straight away. This one is also algebra actually. Di bawah algebra, tapi gabung kuadratik. So anyone? A, B, C, D? Okay, correct. Chu Han Fong, Adam, Shania, Daman. Yes, all correct. Okay, donkey is the answer. Okay, very good. So we already complete all the objective. Okay, so now your worst part in mathematics is subjective. Am I right, guys? Kamu semua takut subjective kan? Bukan objective. Okay, so now we see the subjective question from trial. Okay, guys. So first one. Wow. First question itself talking about relationship already. Guys, I not simply create this question, you know. This one is trial question, you know. Trial Kelantan. Dia lukis gambar wajah ni. Pernah nampak tak emoji ni, guys? Something like this lah. Tapi yang ni adalah quadratic curve. Okay, go to the heart. I think a lot of people, right, bila nampak soalan ni, dia rasa macam satu rasa pelik lah bila nampak soalan ni. So memang boleh jawab kalau kamu suka benda macam ni. Wait, where is it? Saya pun dah lepas komen. Oh, okay. Influence of B value is the position, translation, right or left. Okay. Example, x plus 3 square means that the graph is to the left because x equal to -3. Okay, if x minus 2 square, x equal to 2. So to the right. 2 unit ke kanan dari asalan. Okay, we always compare to the origin, guys. Our starting point is the origin. So the value there will decide how many unit you move to the right or to the left. Okay, so yeah, clear, guys? Okay, so now refer this question. Okay, so they give you the equation. Mereka bagi persamaan. Okay, still remember one. Okay, the question is calculate the value of K. Cari nilai K. Okay, guys, so how do I find K? Maksudnya nilai A saya. Macam mana boleh dapat? Anyone know? Sangat senang yang ni. Very simple. So who can tell me? What is the first step? Saya kena buat apa dulu untuk cari nilai K? So anyone? Cuba fikir. Semua info dah ada dalam soalan. All the information is here already. See graph? You cannot see anything. The graph never tell you anything much. You must see the statement only. Very good. The answer is gantikan, guys. kamu kena gantikan informasi dalam persamaan kamu. So guys, what is the information? What is your fx? What is your x? Okay, 1.75 is fx, correct? What is your x value? Apa nilai x yang kamu akan gantikan? Ada dua nilai tau kat sini, 2.5 and also 1.5. So which one is the correct value? Yes, gantikan 2.5. Okay, because fx, it represent the dart throw. Okay, how far it is from the throwing point, berapa jarak dia dari tempat dia baling, itu fx. Okay, so bukan dari lantai, dari atas kat sini, jarak yang ni. Okay, so itu adalah fx. Okay guys, are you all clear? So kamu hanya perlu buat penggantian saja macam ni, and then you will get your k value. Yes, very good. Actually the 1.5, right guys, kalau kamu perasan, dia adalah sebahagian dari persamaan kamu. Is your y-intercept of the graph. Okay, so you no need to substitute 1.5. Okay, so answer is negative 0.36. Okay, next one guys. Dia suruh bagi persamaan bila graf ni dipantulkan atas paksi X. When you reflect the graph on x-axis. Okay, so this one you can draw to imagine a bit. Okay, so original graph macam ni kan. Okay, so when you reflect on the x-axis, how will the graph look like? Kamu pantulkan kat paksi X, macam ni kan. Dari masam, jadi senyum. Okay, from a sad face, you get a happy face. So guys, A value change or not? Adakah nilai A ubah berdasarkan raja saya? A value change or not? Yes, change. C value change or not? Nilai C ubah ke tak? Pintasan Y. Are you sure? Guys, see carefully. Original C here, new C here, ubah. Okay, dari positif ke negatif. Yes, means basically everything that is positive, you change to negative. Everything that is negative, you change to positive. So what to do? Tambah sahaja simbol negatif kat depan persamaan kamu. Okay, so original persamaan macam ni, negative 0.36 x square and then minus x plus 1.5. Okay, ini adalah persamaan kamu. So kamu tambah sahaja negatif. Satu lagi negatif kat depan kepada seluruh ni. Yes, always remember guys, when you reflect on x-axis, all the value will change. A, B dan C semua nilai ubah. Okay, untuk pantulan pada paksi X. Reflection on x-axis. Admaths, you all see this question, right guys? Admaths suka tanya yang ni. Bila kamu pantulkan graf atas paksi Y atau paksi X, then they'll ask you to form the new equation. So you apply also in Admaths. Why B still positive? Original B is negative. Wait guys, let me see. Plus X minus, I think got typo, if not mistaken. I think should be negative. Yes, it must be negative one. I think got typo in the mark scheme. Okay, this one is negative. Because if A and C change, definitely B will change. What if it reflect by y-axis? Y-axis, C maintain the same, A maintain the same, B will change. Okay, for y-axis. Pantulan paksi Y, B sahaja ubah. A dan C maintain nilai dia. Okay. Ryan, how come got Chinese word suddenly? Guys, I know when you join, don't send Chinese word all. I cannot read one. 0.36 also negative. 0.36 also negative. Yes. Originally 0.36 was negative. I scared, you know, when see like that. First impression, I think you know is what, guys? First impression, I think is scammer. Okay, not racist lah. I just think a scammer only. First, okay. Second is you're trying to communicate with me, but I don't know who is it. But so you must, yeah. Okay, so the answer is like this. Okay, 0.36 x squared minus x minus 1.5. But not so much in Admaths. Then you answer in Indian. How can I answer when I don't know Chinese also? You need to simply answer, is it? Antam saja. Very smart lah you guys. Wow. Syafika pun boleh berbahasa. Huh? Not bad. Wow, not bad. Never expect. Okay, next one, guys. We're not going to finish this if we continue like this. Okay. Question C. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to count Y. Cari nilai Y. Senang tak, guys? Is it easy to find your Y value? Boleh tak? Okay, they already give you the information. Say hello. Okay, so next one. Sorry, can you find the answer? Boleh dapat tak yang ni? AP greater than PB. So they ask you, they tell area of square is 289. Luas segi 4 sama 289. Okay guys, so how to get the area of square? If I zoom out, the answer come already. That's why I don't want to zoom out. I zoom in a bit so that it hide the answer. Because if I show answer, you all know already. Yes, the concept is big box minus small box. Correct. Actually, it's more on Pythagoras theorem. Okay, guys. Over here, you can use Pythagoras theorem. Theorem Pythagoras. Okay, macam mana? Okay, so they tell you that AP is Y, BQ Y, SD Y, and CR Y. So guys, do you see this triangle? Boleh nampak tak guys? Semua segitiga ni. Apa jenis segitiga ni guys? What type of triangle is this? Right angle triangle. Yes, segitiga sudut tegak. Okay, so you can actually plus all the area. Kamu boleh tambah semua luas dia. Okay, untuk dapat persamaan, untuk dapat luas segitiga. Segi 4 sama. Okay, maksudnya total minus semua segitiga. Okay, so kamu boleh dapat persamaan macam ni lah. Okay, so nilai dia yang ni adalah 23 tolak Y. Okay, because total 23 minus Y on top, baki 23 tolak Y. Okay guys, so bila kamu dapat persamaan yang ni, kamu kena kuasa dua belah persamaan. You square both side. Okay, sebab kamu ada punca kuasa 2. So macam mana nak hilangkan dia? Kamu kuasa 2. Dua belah persamaan. Okay, so boleh faham guys langkah ni? 1 or 2? Do you get it? Can Okay, so then quadratic macam biasa sahaja. You just solve the quadratic equation. Okay, kat sini kamu ada 2 jawapan. You got 2 answer. But now kamu kena lihat soalan. Refer the question. AP greater than PB. Okay, so AP is Y. Betul? So Y kena lebih besar dari 23 tolak Y. This is the syarat. So guys, which one will you choose? If you choose 8, kalau kamu gantikan Y sama dengan 8, 8 lebih besar dari 15. Guys, adakah ini betul? Is this a correct fact? Kalau Y sama dengan 8, saya masuk kat sini. Salah. So that's why kita akan reject Y sama dengan 8. Diabaikan. So kita pilih yang satu lagi. Y sama dengan 15. Okay guys? Clear? So quadratic, kamu selesaikan biasanya 4 markah. 4 mark. Okay, so tengok guys. Tadi saya katakan yang ni ada 1 markah. So make sure kamu tunjuk kurungan tu. Macam mana kamu faktorkan. How you do the factorization. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so we discuss one more question lah. Then we end for today. Satu lagi soalan. Okay, I want to discuss this question with you guys. Yang ni recent trend dalam trial. Putra, yang mana? Yang ini ke? This one. Okay? Okay. Okay guys, I want to discuss this one question with you. Because this one recent. Baru saja soalan trial dia tanya macam ni. Okay guys, can you all see this question? Section C ya guys? Section C. Okay, sure. The rest can stay. You can go. I give you the chance. Okay, so now, Daman, still call sir. Same school also like that. Hey, Yvette, what bye-bye? You are staying here. Or you're saying bye-bye to him. Okay. PFS student go already. Yes. Okay guys, can you see this question? 8 marks guys. 8 markah. Jangan main-main tau. 8 markah. dia keluar kat soalan trial. Section C. Okay? So you must know how to do. Kena tahu macam mana nak buat. Cannot. If PFS go, SXI cannot go. That is the rule. Because rival school. Banyaknya, yes. A lot of mark. Okay guys, don't worry. Nampak macam susah tapi tak susah. Okay. So first thing, they tell you that surface area of wrapping paper is 750. Okay, luas permukaan pembalut tu lah. Okay, adalah 750. And then they tell you volume. Okay, 5,980. Okay. And dia guna 3 keping untuk balut. This question you did, is it? Or you telling you will get 5 mark? Okay, so the question is to justify. Justifikasikan. Adakah cukup ke tak? Okay guys, first step. What should I do? Saya kena buat apa dulu? I also don't remember, but it's one of the state. I forget already which one. Because I kumpul from all the state and put over here for you guys. Yes, buat persamaan dulu. So guys, which information will you use? Kamu guna info yang mana? Luas permukaan atau isi padu untuk mula? Yang mana satu? Kamu rasa? Berdasarkan wajah ni. Okay, the rest? What do you all think? The rest? Sama-sama? Okay guys, one thing you must understand, right? You are trying to tell whether the paper is enough. Okay, kamu kena bagi tahu sama ada kertas tu cukup tak untuk balut kotak ni. Okay, so guys, bila kamu balut sesuatu kotak, kamu sebenarnya balut isi padu kotak tu ataupun luas permukaan kotak tu. Cuba bagi tahu saya. When you wrap something, you wrap the surface area or you wrap the volume? Can you all tell me? Common sense. Yvette, think again. I don't think it's common sense for you. Surface area, guys, not volume. Guys, volume is something inside the box. Volume kat dalam kotak ni, guys. Volume bukan luaran kotak. Volume is inside the box. Surface area is outside the box. Dua yang berbeza. Two different things. Okay, so this value, yang ni 750 adalah luas di luar kotak. The area outside the box. Wrap hadiah dalam bekas. Yang tu, I rasa tak ada orang yang buat lah. Kecuali dia tak nak bagi hadiah ke orang tu. Okay? So, yeah. So, kena logik jugalah guys bila nampak soalan macam ni. Okay, so first step, definitely kamu nak cari nilai X. Betul guys? You must get the X value. Then only you know what is the surface area. Am I right? Sebab nilai X boleh bantu kamu cari luas setiap permukaan. Contoh permukaan ni, satu per satu. Okay, another common sense question I ask you. Satu lagi soalan logik. Cuboid ada berapa luas permukaan guys? Cuba bagi tahu saya. How many surface area in a cuboid? This one anyone get wrong means kena balik sekolah rendah dah. Okay, luckily kamu semua maintain kat sekolah menengah. Yes, jawapan adalah 6. Betul. Akan ada orang salah tahu guys yang ni. Jangan pandang rendah soalan ni. Okay, 6 surface area. Okay, so now first step, quadratic equation. Okay, so first step kamu kena bentuk persamaan ni. Okay, so volume is length times width times height. Panjang, lebar, tinggi. Sama dengan yang ni. Okay, then expand. Kembangkan untuk dapat persamaan kuadratik. Okay, now you factorize. Kamu faktorkan. Dapat jawapan. Okay guys, negative answer can or not? Kalau nilai X saya negatif, boleh ke tak? Yes or no? Very good. Cannot. Because this one we are talking on length. Panjang tak boleh negatif. Okay, so kamu reject yang negatif. Okay, kamu dah ada X sama dengan 10. Okay guys, now is the tricky part. Okay, you have 3 separate part over here. Okay, first part, kamu kena bayangkan tahu guys. Sebab yang ni adalah 3D. You must imagine a bit. Okay, so first you have front and back. Front surface, back surface. Permukaan hadapan dan belakang. Okay guys, so you got these two area. So length times width. Okay, panjang darab lebar. So, kamu ganti X masuk. So, kat sini kamu dapat 23. Over here, you get 26. Okay, so 23 times 26. Okay, untuk satu permukaan. Sekarang kamu ada dua permukaan, hadapan dan belakang. So, kali dua. Can you all understand this step, guys? First step? 1 or 2? Do you all get it? Huh? 2 ah? Yvette, which part you don't understand? Bahagian mana, guys? Tak faham. It's front and back surface, guys. This is the front surface. This is 3D, you know. Kat belakang juga ada satu permukaan macam ni. Kamu tak nampak. Okay, the 23. Oh, X is 10. 10 you substitute inside here, guys. 2X plus 3 is 23. Okay? And then 3X minus 4 you substitute 10. Gantikan 10, 26. Then panjang darab lebar. Sebab sekarang kita cari luas permukaan. Surface area. So you have to use the formula for area. Okay? So 23 times 26 times 2. Okay, so if you understand, you all tell me. Untuk permukaan kiri dan kanan pula. Left and right. This one and this one. Can you all tell me what is the expression? Apa ungkapan dia? Yang ni 26. So macam mana nak tulis? Untuk luas kedua-dua permukaan ni. Anyone? Kalau bagi jawapan pun boleh. Ataupun kamu tulis jalan kira. Very good. Okay, so the answer is 26 times 10 times 2. Correct. Okay, 26, 10, and then 2 surface. Dua permukaan. Okay, last one. Top and bottom. Atas, bawah. Okay, top, and then at the bottom here. Okay, so it's this one and this one. Dua panjang dan lebar. Okay, so what is the expression? Can you all tell me? Hey, sorry. Wait, guys. Let me see. Oh, just now I tell wrongly, I think. Never mind. You all tell this one. Bagi tahu yang ni dulu. Yes. Not yet, not yet. So what is the expression? Apa ungkapan dia untuk atas dan bawah? Yes. Okay, means you understand lah. 23 times 26 times 2. Boleh dapat, guys? Yes. Very good. Then you just plus all the area. Kamu tambah semua jawapan, dapat nilai dia. 2176. Okay, guys. Sekarang kamu bandingkan. Nilai 2176 dengan wrapping paper. Okay, guys. Satu pembalut 750. Sekarang dia kata 3 pembalut. So, maksudnya 750 kali 3. You times 3. Okay, so nilai ni adalah 2250. Okay, 2250. So guys, compare your answer. 2250, 2176. So is it enough, guys? Adakah cukup untuk balut? Not enough. Guys, this is the wrapping paper amount. Jumlah pembalut kertas. Ini adalah jumlah luas permukaan. Yes, enough lah. Okay, so the answer is the paper is enough. Second, you must give justification, guys. Kalau kamu henti kat sini, 7 markah saja. The last mark is you must tell this one. Kamu kena bagi tahu yang ni. Okay, ataupun kamu kata jumlah pembalut kertas melebihi jumlah luas permukaan. Okay, the amount of surface area of wrapping paper exceed the surface area of the box. Okay. Yes. Just now I made mistake, guys. Depan dan belakang is 23 times 10 times 2. Sorry. Okay, because we are talking about the height. Okay, 10. Okay. Boleh dapat, guys? Susah tak, guys? 8 markah ni. Saya tanya secara jujur. Susah tak nak dapat 8 markah ni? Tak susah kan? Sangat senang kan? 8 marks, guys. Just like that, you get. Sangat senang nak dapat 8 markah. Okay? So, buat sendiri susah. You must think of the idea, guys. Kamu kena fikir idea tu betul. Jangan kelam kabut dalam matematik. Kamu nampak perenggan ni panjang kan? Betul kan, guys? Nampak panjang, kamu rasa susah dah. Betul? That is your main feeling. When you see the paragraph so long, you think very hard. Actually not hard. Because you will have a lot of information there. Banyak info akan diberikan. kalau kamu ada perenggan yang panjang. So you got a lot of information to help you to answer the question. Dalam tu ikut formula, yes, panjang kali lebar kali tinggi untuk isi padu dan panjang kali lebar untuk luas permukaan. Sebab ni hampir macam trick, bukan. It's not trick question. It is just testing you on quadratic only. Okay, no trick here guys. It's a normal question only. Jangan fikir lebih. I know those take and maths, you all like to think lebih kan? You all will think extra. No need. Jangan fikir lebih untuk matematik. The question is very straightforward one. Okay, so don't think too much. Okay, so yeah. So I think that's all lah for today's class. Okay guys, do you all understand the intensive lesson today? Are you better now at quadratic after 1.5 hours? Much better? Yes, that's why I like. Very good. Okay, so bagus. Untuk yang cakap susah, sekarang senang. Why SPP, SABK no 12 2024 papers? I'm not sure. I think still need time. They never finished the exam yet, maybe. So yeah. Okay, guys. So one more thing. For those that usually join my class, right? Maybe this week I will put extra class for you guys. If can, I will inform later in the group. Most likely I will discuss the Form 5 chapter with you guys. Form 5 chapter 7 for maths and Form 5 chapter 5 for maths. So since we do Form 4 Monday, Tuesday, the rest of this week we do Form 5. Okay, we try to complete the left of the syllabus. My name, just search my name, it'll come out already. Bhuvanraj Ganesh. That's my channel name. Okay, so yeah, hopefully it helped lah, the lesson today. Okay, because it's very fast. The rest of the question, right guys, you all can go through also. Kamu boleh lihat yang lain soalan. Yang lain soalan lebih senang berbanding soalan tu tadi. Okay, so yeah, any question guys that you have that you want to ask me? Okay guys, and also one more thing I want to ask you all. Satu lagi perkara.